Hello everyone, here is Tobias. Long time no see. I'm back now again and I want to show you some new pieces that I got here. I have this 19th century underglazed blue and white vase made during Guangxi period. It's decorated with this figure decorations and bird decoration alternating around the vase. And this one is quite special, as you can see that the painting goes all the way over the bend here. And normally on expert porcelain you would stop here and then there would be like another kind of border up here. But this one goes around the bend and giving you kind of 3D feeling. Quite beautiful. It's got a 4-character Kangxi mark under. So here you have this lady standing with a book, and on the side here is I think it's a banana tree, and you got a border with bats going around both on the bottom and also on the top here. You have the same border with bats. Very nice. And here's a bird sitting on the branch. So very nicely painted. And it's a very nice condition, absolutely perfect, no flaws at all. It's the foot ring, 19th century. There is a small baking crack there in the middle. This is the inside. Very beautiful piece.